What up, guys? So if you're mining the Haven1 in the Satoshi application, you need to quickly participate in the testnet right now, because I was also feeding it till I saw this message. So they posted this message recently saying that Haven1 Testnet is mandatory to receive your H1 token. All right, so guys, I was actually feeding this, but till I saw this message and I decided to take action quickly, and I won't do that without showing you guys. So I want to show you guys step-by-step guide on how to participate in the testnet so that you can also receive your token. All right, so if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here right now, you have to stick to this video to the end. Alright guys, so in order for you to participate in this testnet, you need your MetaMask wallet. This is the wallet that is recommended for the testnet. Alright, so you make sure your wallet is on the core blockchain this way. Alright, so in case you don't know how to add core blockchain to your MetaMask wallet, in case your MetaMask doesn't have core blockchain already added to it, there is a simple thing I'll show you how you can add it. All you have to do is to click on the settings over here, then you click on network over here, then you click on add network, which is down here. Once you click on add network this way, then you select custom network over here. Then you're going to fill up these boxes with exactly what you are seeing on your screen right here. That is how you can add the core blockchain to the MetaMask wallet. Then after filling it, you just click on the add button down here and you are good to go. So right here now, in order for you to participate in the testnet, quickly click on the browser section here. You click on the browser section, it's going to load. Then once it's opened, okay, now once it is loaded this way, then tap here, you're going to write haven1.org. All right, this is the official site. Then you go, you search it, it's going to load for you. All right, so let's just wait for this to load completely so that we can take action instantly. All right, so you can take your time to go through the website and understand more about Haven1. All right, it's an interesting project that it's all about keeping the blockchain safe. All right, that's what it's all about. Anyway, let's continue with what we are supposed to do here right now. So once you get here, you click, once the page is finished loading, all you have to do is to click on the join testnet, join testnet, click on it. Right, so once you get over here, you can still go down, scroll and read to understand what you're supposed to do here as task. So what we're going to be doing here first of all is to connect our wallet. You're going to be connecting the wallet. Then the next step is to connect your email address. Then the third one says provide basic information. So quickly, the first one, let's connect wallet. Click on it. It's going to ask you wallet. To select wallet, you select the MetaMask. Like I said, MetaMask is recommended. Then you connect, click here. All right, you wait for this to load. All right, then you confirm this. That's going to let you, all right, now it has added the Haven network to your MetaMask wallet. So in order for you to, after adding it, all you need to do is to switch your network to the Haven1 Testnet network. All right, so we're going to click on switch, then we'll switch to the, okay, got it. Now, very good. Now if you notice, our network is now on the Haven1. All right, you can see it right here, H. All right, it says finish sign up. All right, so we've connected the wallet. The next thing we should do here now is to write in our email right here. You put your email right here, then you click on the send code, which is right here. Then after sending the code will be sent to your email address that you provided right here. Then you are going to copy it, bring it here and paste it in this box. Then after that, you click on the sign up. I'm going to do that quickly and I'll sign up, then I'll show you what to do. All right, so that was successful. We've connected email, we've connected wallet, we've connected the email address. So the next thing is for you to paste in a referral code. Now the code blinking on the screen right now, you can use it, copy it, use the code right here. Then you can select account type, which is individual. I'm going to select individual, and I'm going to my residence where I am right now, the country of residence. You're going to select this and you are good to go. But for the wallet you've connected is going to be showing here automatically, so you don't need to worry about wallet address anymore. All right, so all you have to do now is to click on the sign up button. Okay, all right, so that was successful. So that is just the simple thing you need to do in order for you to connect your wallet. Now that we have connected our wallet, it proves that we have registered for the testnet. All right, now there are things you need to do. You can share your referral code and also your referral link over here to earn extra. Okay, but apart from that, what you need to do also is to click on verify your identity, and you have to go ahead and verify your identity by using you will be taking a selfie, and some other information will be asked. Okay, now apart from that, you can also participate in other things on the testnet by clicking on view all apps. All right, click on it. It's going to bring you here. Then in order for you to participate at least in one of these activities, go ahead and select the testnet faucet over here. Testnet faucet, click on it. You're going to claim 10 H1 token. All right, so you can see my wallet is connected already. So you're going to click on the sign in to access faucet. All right, now these are the things they really want you to do in order for you to participate. Sign in order for you to participate in the testnet. These are the things you need to do to prove that you really participated and engage on the platform during the testnet. All right, so okay, so you're going to say request, click on request testnet H1. All right, I'm going to click on that quickly. So I just click on that, and for us to be sure that we've requested for this and we've probably received something in some token in our wallet, we need to check our wallet to be sure we've received some token. So click on wallet section. Okay, you can see mine is saying 0 over here. I'm going to chill. You can see I just refresh the page, and I got 10 H1. All right, so this alone has proven that I have participated on the testnet. All right, so guys, if you do every single step I just showed you in this video right here right now, you are going to be qualified and eligible for the airdrop. So guys, remember, participating in the testnet, they said it is mandatory for us to be able to receive our token from the Satoshi application. So guys, that is why I'm showing you this. So do not slack on this. We have just few days for this airdrop to be over. All right, so take maximum advantage and take action right now. Don't miss out, because if you do, you are going to be missing out on whatever you've mined on the application. So guys, it's as simple as that. If you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. And do not forget to join my Telegram channel, because that is where I drop more updates more often every single day. I'll see you guys again in my next video.